What's the meaning of bentwood? Bentwood. Bentwood.
Bentwood. Bentwood. Bentwood is a term used to describe a type of wood furniture that is made by bending or steam bending thin strips of wood into curved shapes. The technique of bending wood has been used for centuries and involves applying heat and moisture to the wood in order to make it pliable enough to shape into a curve. This process allows for the creation of elegant, lightweight furniture pieces, such as chairs, tables, and stools. Bentwood furniture is renowned for its durability, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal, and has been a popular choice for designers and architects alike since its inception.